Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to be unboxing our DripWorks GardenBee stainless steel rake. GardenBee is an exclusive brand to DripWorks, known for its high quality and innovative gardening tools. Just like the other GardenBee products we covered, this rake comes in a nice sturdy cardboard box to ensure your new tool will arrive in pristine condition. Let's get started. Here's the DripWorks GardenBee stainless steel rake, along with a carrying bag and a nice thank you note from the team here at DripWorks. The GardenBee stainless steel rake is great for turning, loosening soil, and removing weeds. It features a sharp and durable stainless steel head that won't bend or break even when you're digging through tough soil. Let's see how this rake works in action. As you can see, the GardenBee stainless steel rake is very easy to use. The stainless steel head makes it glide through the soil smoothly, and the tines are sharp enough to even remove the most stubborn of weeds. Overall, I'm very impressed with the DripWorks GardenBee stainless steel rake. It's a well-made, durable tool that's perfect for any gardener. If you're looking for a new rake that can handle the toughest jobs, I highly recommend checking out the stainless steel on dripworks.com. Overall, I'm very impressed with this tool. It is a well-made, durable tool that's perfect for any gardener. If you're looking for a new rake that can handle the toughest jobs, I highly recommend checking out the GardenBee stainless steel rake. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening content. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite gardening tool is. That's all for today. Goodbye.